Hello everyone, welcome back to the Biodecoder channel. This is part 3 of our QGIS mapping series. In this video, I will turn our styled map into publication ready figure. I will show you how to add title, legends, north arrows, and scale bars and coordinate grids, and finally how to export it as a high resolution image suitable for your publication, your professional use, or for your reports. If you haven't watched the part 1 and part 2 yet, make sure you to check those first. We created the base map and added our three coordinates there. So let's jump in. First thing we will do is to go to project and then new project layer, give it a name. For example, I created a map like AJK map layout. So after naming that, QGIS will open the layout composer. It is kind of similar as your canvas for designing the final figure. Now use the add map tool. It's like on extreme left of your canvas to draw the large rectangle on your layout. This will hold your main map, like all the content of your map and layers will appear here. If your map doesn't show correctly, just click move item content. So there is a small zoom in type button. So you need to click on that and then adjust. You need to make some adjustment until it fit very nicely, like inside that those boundaries. Next, we need to add the legends. Then to add the legends, click the add legend tool from the left toolbar. So this is this side, and then draw a small rectangle where you want to add, where you want legend to appear, or where you want to add your legend. You will notice that it automatically lists all the map layers, including, for example, in our case, AJK boundaries. So how to remove this? To remove these unwanted layers from your legends, you need to uncheck this. First thing you need to do is to uncheck that auto update. So here, then click the red minus button to delete that layer. So first you need to select that layer, and then you need to click on the red minus button, and it will exclude that from your legend. So in my case, I excluded it. So now you can customize your legend as per your requirement. So for example, uh, you can change the legend title to species. You can customize the font and spacing. For example, I will make the legend title a bit larger, maybe around 16, and increase the spacing slightly, or maybe not, to make it clean. So my version is quite clean here, so I will not like change it, but you can adjust your spacing as per your requirement. So another tip here is always select the item you want to modify first. For example, select the map to move or resize it, select the legend to edit, appear, and so on. So whatever you want to modify, you have to select that first. Now let's add the straight north arrow. So now let's add a north arrow. So simply click the add north arrow tool on the left side, then draw it anywhere on your layout. You can resize and move it as needed. Next, let's add a scale bar. Click the add scale bar tool, draw it under the map and open its properties. You can change units, meter, kilometer, or feet, whatever suits you. I will keep it in kilometers and adjust its size and position a bit. You can also change the tick style. For example, line tick middles look clean to me. For example, if you want any other style, or if you prefer any other style, you can use that. So now to make it publication ready, let's add coordinate grids. To do that, select your map, go to grid tab, and then click the plus icon to add a new grid. You can choose the grid type. It may be solid lines, it can be a cross or a marker, and adjust spacing using segment length option. So I prefer a clean zebra style frame with a width of about 2 mm. I like this style after adding it. You might need to slightly resize your map to fit perfectly within the frame. And then you need to enable draw coordinates, like you need to check that box to, for the grid text direction, you need to change the text direction to boundary direction from the drop down menu, so the coordinate follow the frame neatly. So once your legend, scale bar and north arrows are placed, you can fine tune the layout. If there is extra white space, hold Control A to select all the items and then notch them to center using arrow keys. You can also adjust page size or canvas width slightly to make your composition balanced. Finally, reduce the grid line opacity if you want a clean look. I prefer faint or invisible cross marks for publication figures. So if you want to retain them, you can keep them. Okay, so everything looks great. So let's export it. So go to layout, export as image, choose your file location, and before saving, set the resolution to 600 dpi for publication quality. You can actually change whatever your journal requirement is. Then click save, and that's it. You have now professional high resolution map of AJK showing species distribution, and the best part is it is ready to be used in journal reports and presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the Biodecoder channel and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.